With a broken heart, you can find it tough to get rid of rage and despair deep inside. Some folks may repress their feelings so that they run away from reality, which may cause panic, anxiety, and depression during a few months later. Let's take a look at 4 stages that you will go through after a breakup and learn how to heal a broken heart fast. Number 1. Embrace your rage and despair. When your heart is broken, you let your mind rely on old habits that will lead you off the right track. You simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you and sometimes feel burnout. Having a clear understanding of why the relationship ended is really important for deciding to get out. In fact, you keep trying to recall every moment that you two had together to find out the exact reasons for that breakup. Then beat yourself up with bad words and negative attitudes. Tip: spend more time with your soul. You need to face reality with more logical thought. So don't search for them, don't wait for them to get back, don't try to get an exact reason. Just believe completely in their explanation and move on with your life. Number 2. Idealize for the ex. Have you noticed that often you only remember the wonderful memories you two have together? You spend hours recalling their smile and how great they made you feel. These things make your loss more painful. So, to avoid idealizing your ex, you should balance your emotions by evaluating how badly they made you feel in arguments or disrespect. Tip: take notes on your phone or on a piece of paper, an exhaustive list of all terrible memories that person was wrong to you. And if you want to get over them, you have to read that list repeatedly to remind yourself that you deserve better.
Before watching next, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to be the first to see the next videos.
Number 3. Mess up your life. You may be deprived of food or sleep for days and also neglect your personal activities. Your mind is spinning with images of your ex, and you even ignore all advice and support from people who truly love you. Many heartbroken women lose control of their energy and excitement for work during this period, and this impairs their working performance from bad to worse, that they may lose their job. Tip: try to live your day to the fullest by respecting the good side you have. Maybe you will suffer at night, maybe you will cry a lot, but don't give up hope. Don't let these negative feelings run your life. Number 4. Focus on your self-awareness. Heartbreak is a complex psychological injury to get over. Please understand that. Don't get away from your broken heart. Don't bury your head in the darkness, or immediately run off to find a new love to hinder your vulnerability temporarily. Letting go of your pain is a battle, but it is worth fighting for. This is because it is an important lesson for you to grow, to be aware of yourself and to be alive after a breakup. You have the strongest inner weapon to heal yourself, and it is also fine to seek support from an expert. Your deep courage and hope for a brighter you are always inside of you to help you minimize your suffering. Tip: self-aware of your own thoughts in each moment, and meditation is an effective dose helping you mindful and love yourself. For the last thing, if you're not in this situation, but you have friends or family members who are in a heartbroken situation, please help them get over this pain through 4 tips mentioned above, with your sympathy, love, and patience.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to get more value.